How about this, Will? Learning how to drive in an AI simulator. This is how most people are doing it, or at least a lot of people increasingly are doing it in China. They're not even getting out on the road. They just do like this. What do you think about that?
Okay.
Like, it's a pretty nice simulator. You got the ultra wide.
Yeah.
And they of course, when you're inside the simulator, you can get a much more precise scoring of your activities.
And it's more consistent.
It's going to be consistent, and the footprint is much less than having all these physical cars. You can train a lot more people in a smaller area and with fewer instructors. What are you laughing about? Willie just got some. He's chuckling.
I
He's
mean, I would
giggling.
immediately like foot on the pedal and just.
You're
go
tempted
all
to just
out
play
and
like a
try to,
video
like,
game. No,
break
no,
it.
Will, you're being graded on this
Fail
thing, man.
immediately.
Being graded on this
Yeah.
thing.
I like to see the simulation
So
busted. but-
there's so many people that need to be trained in driving right now in
Yeah.
China. It's so many people that can't meet the demand
Yeah.
with the regular driving school or the cost associated with it to get every single vehicle up and running. This project here is called Lazy Cat, and it launched in June of last year. Based on data collected from real test cars, this simulation customizes training plans based on users' performance at each session, and users can also simulate driving along different routes and under various weather conditions.
Yeah.
I don't mind it. I think it's kind of a cool idea, and it saves having all these extra cars on the road too,
Yeah.
which are just out there for training. You know,
Right.
whenever you see the training car, you get nervous around it because
Yeah.
you're like, they're driving super slow, and it's not such an issue around here with the density, but you can imagine a dense environment. It could actually be a little bit, it would add to the congestion, is what I'm trying to say. So anyway, they're doing this instead. Some people love it. Other people are less into it, particularly the trainers themselves, the teachers themselves. They say, you're trying to get rid of me over here. I got
Right.
these skills. I've been
Because
working
it
with
would be
people.
the AI that would be testing.
Yeah, absolutely.
Oh.
So
Yeah, that's kind of sucks.
I guess, yeah, but these things are cool. I don't know. Maybe we'll see it implemented elsewhere in the world.